I'm quite happy with that. And in fact, I'm thrilled with it, to be honest. So, oh, do you know what I didn't do? I didn't put the snow on this side, did I? No, because it's only snowed in front. The church is going to look directly at you. So I don't think we're going to need any snow there. And I haven't put any on the other side. I don't think. No. No, I'm not going to do it. I don't think we need it. Right, that's done. One done, out the way. Let me just stand this up. We're going to do this big one. So, you're going to need to view it like that, I think. That's it. As long as I know you can see from that mat, we'll have it here. Okie dokie smokies. Sling them in there, don't need them. And I got the clay out for that. I was going to do the little plinth things that goes over it. Right then, basically it needs painting. And we need to do it in black. So I've got my paintbrush. You don't need to watch this, I'll be back. Right folks, now what I've done with this one, painted it all black. I've done the stonework, and this is going to be paste. This will all be paste and stippled. I've done the roof. Now I put this braid on, which I do like, but I'm just going to finish off this row and put a row on top of that, and if that hides the braid, so be it. I was going to do something different and change my mind, as I do. I always do that. So what I'm going to do now is just finish off the roof. I mean, it more than likely will cover all of that. I don't know. I don't know. Right, just so you can see it. I'm just going to stipple the textured paste on. Now this is quite a loose one, and I'm not bothered much about it. It'll do the job I'm after. I might need to do it twice. Not fussed. I'm going to get this built how I want it. Just has to have that stippling effect. That's all. Really rough, to be honest. So you can be quite rough with this. Oh, I like that fan shape. We're not keeping it like that. And thicken it up a little bit.